Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you some videos that I've just got of fireworks. Enjoy this video. I accidentally started to play them back to front, so next video you'll see will be the middle one. Just ignore any backing sounds apart from the ones that have the fireworks. So, yep. At the beginning of this one, I just missed out on some really good ones from the people who lives opposite me. They were doing that one where it goes green then red, and it keeps doing that and for like 10 green fireworks and 10 red fireworks. So yeah, it was pretty cool, but I just missed it. Second video, you can see some in the top left hand corner there, some down the middle, you see the bottom and top keep popping up. It's just because I keep pressing it so I know how long is left on that clip.
Molly, one from Adam's house just hit another house.
Now that was funny. The final one. This is about 30 seconds long. This one. A truck does get in the way at the end. There it is. So that's all for today's vlog. There may be another vlog in a bit. Not in a bit. I might film some clips for tomorrow's vlog. Like if I get to see some more fireworks, then I will do. Until then, don't forget to leave a like. Bye.